I would like to take this moment to thank my sponsor Ken Russo for sharing this life-changing business that will take care of my whole family for the rest of our lives. I would also like to shout out a huge thank you to our CEO Mr. Ash Mafare for his continued vision that will help the millions if not billions around the globe with their financial needs. I pray that he gets the rest he needs to keep up the energy to continue this journey. I would also like to thank all of our Onpassive staff in India and beyond for the intricate work they have before them, and that Lord will provide them with the strength to continue to build this massive business for all. And most of all, a big thanks to all of our Leadership Council members for doing an awesome job providing the webinars to help grow Onpassive at a staggering speed is just unbelievable. They not only create the informative videos for us founders to use, but they're out there helping out with support. That is what I call leaders when they go out of their way to help others so that they can get aligned with the business of Onpassive. By the way, all of the webinars are incredible, but the last few have been super great. And to all of our newest founders, as well as our older founders, be engaged with everything about Onpassive as it is your business. Log in every day and do a like, comment, etc. Onpassive is truly a life changer. We are all in it to win it.